everyone. In this video, we talk about what a matrimonial property is and how the implications are if a couple divorces and has or many matrimonial properties to divvy up. Now, if you are going through a divorce and watching this video, I understand how rough times are for you, and my complete empathy is with you during the stressful times. Here's what, according to Ontario law, a homemaker can be compensated in exchange of taking care of the home for foregoing their time in building their household instead of creating a career. According to Ontario family law, matrimonial home is any residential property that both partners have a shared interest in. This includes not only your primary residence, but also recreational homes like cottages or cabins that you might have up north. For example, talk to your lawyer about your family's portfolio classifications. Both spouses have equal rights in matrimonial properties until an order is passed against either for exclusive possession of the property or not, which is a legal term when one wants to occupy the home for themselves for any of the reasons. It might be about violence or abuse. The court can give one of them exclusive possession for a limited time, while the other needs to give notice before entering the property for a specific purpose only. During this period of divorce, neither of the partners can sell or refinance the property without each other's consent. Please call me at 519-804-1987 for any questions. And if you're going through this, I have helped many families going through divorce to sell their home as a neutral and empathetic ground in the sale of the most important physical asset, that's their home. And I would love to help you out too. 519-804-1987. Thank you. Hello everyone. In today's video, we talk about how what happens to your house in Windsor, Essex County when you are separating from your common law partner. Common law is for couples in a live-in relationship for more than 3 years. Whatever you bring prior to starting the relationship, you get to keep it. You don't need consent to sell the property from your partner because you don't have the same rights as a legally married couple in Ontario. And this can change over the years with new laws. Please consult your lawyer. Please call me at 519-804-1987 for any questions on selling your property. I've helped families go through separation to serve as a neutral and empathetic ground in the sale of the most important physical asset, that's their home. And I would love to help you too. 519-804-1987. Thank you. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about what happens to your house in Windsor, Essex County when you divorce according to the Ontario law. There are 5 outcomes I've seen happening with my clients. Number 1, buying out your partner. The old business move, that is in real life, the house is valued at $1 million and has a mortgage of say $500,000. You have to go to your bank for a revaluation, requalify yourself with your separation papers, alimony and child support. Your bank will take that into your stress test consideration and pay you an additional $250,000 to buy out your partner. Of course, now your debt needle has moved from $500,000 to $750,000 at current mortgage rates. Number 2, if you had an investment property valued and bought at $400,000. At the time of your divorce, its current evaluation is say at $600,000. Then they get $100,000 out of the $200,000 on profit, or either of you can buy each other out with the steps as before. Number 3, all separation has to be finalized before selling your property. Else, a lawyer will hold the proceedings until the divorce is finalized by the court. Number 4, once you move out of your primary residence, that is, sell your stake at the primary residence to your partner, and again with the bank reassessing the home, everything said in point number 1, then you have to show it as capital gains in the books for tax purposes. So talk to an experienced accountant, and the other partner who buys the property will have to mortgage anew under their name and pay land transfer tax on it too. Number 5, one thing I keep getting asked from my clients is if they lose their stake at their primary residence when they move out of their marital home, will they lose their stake? No, you don't lose your right on your marital home. So if you are in an abusive relationship right now, don't worry about it. Take action, and if you don't feel safe, move out. Talk to your lawyer and he will guide you. Please call me at 519-804-1987 for any questions if you're going through a divorce and want to sell your home. I have served as a neutral and empathetic ground in the sale of the most important physical asset, that's your home, during divorces, and I would love to help you out too. 519-804-1987. Meher Aisha. Thank you.